Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. 3 years ago today, I shared with you a little anti-aging skincare hack that I created to get those instant, quick wins when it comes to reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and those long-term Botox-like effects boosting collagen and elastin. This hack involved this serum, the Ordinary Argireline Solution, affectionately known as Botox in a bottle, and pairing it with its sister serum, the Ordinary matrixyl. Now that video actually went viral, and I think to this date is the most viewed video here on the Mad About Skin YouTube channel, which honestly blows my mind. Well, 3 years is a whole long time in skincare, and over that period, I've really honed in on how I apply these two amazing serums to get maximum results, and there's a lot I've learned along the way. I want to share with you a bit of an update to that, how I piece this together in my skincare routine to get maximum anti-aging benefits, and the great news is you don't need a whole plethora of different products or expensive options. It can still be done on a budget, but you hopefully will get 2 or 3 times the benefit. Sit back, relax, let's talk elevating our anti-aging skincare. Now, before we get into this video, I would love to know how many of you are like the hardcore viewers that remember that original video. How many of you have been around for those 3 years? If you have, let me know by leaving the tick emoji in the comment section below. As I said before, 3 years is a whole long time in skincare, but it's a lifetime when it comes to YouTube. And I am so grateful to each and every one of you. Whether you've been around for the full 3 years or you've joined the channel more recently, I just want to send you the world's biggest hug. And I want to ask, how are you guys doing? And let me know in the comments. I think with the world being so busy at the moment, everything going on, no one ever stops to just say, like, how are you doing? For me, there's a lot going on. I'm relaunching the Mad About Skin skincare brand, and there's a whole lot going on around that. So a little bit manic, but I'm still really enjoying every second filming content for you guys here on YouTube. So I'm doing great, and I hope you guys are too. But no, as a community, we're all here for one another. So let me know, yeah, how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below. Now I want to keep this short, sharp, and to the point, so let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So this hack in its original form required the application of the Ordinary Argireline Solution and then following it on straight after with the Ordinary matrixyl. Now the reason I sort of pieced these two together is I thought the Ordinary Argireline is known for its quick fix. It's known as Botox in a bottle because it works in a similar way on dynamic fine lines and wrinkles. Unlike Botox, which has a more long-term mechanism of action, Argireline is very much in the moment. It works when you have it applied to the skin. But a recent study showed that it can reduce the depth of fine lines and wrinkles by up to 17%. That's pretty good for a super affordable serum. So you put the Argireline on for those quick wins, and then you top it off with the matrixyl that's going to give you those long-term benefits. Matrixyl is one of the best studied peptides out there and proven to, over time, increase the rate of collagen and elastin production in the skin. The more collagen we have, the fewer fine lines and wrinkles will appear on our skin. And that, honestly, is why I think this combination, to this day, is still like a powerhouse duo. Instant results, long-term payoff, and I think that for me is perfection in skincare. However, our thinking on these serums has evolved a little bit, and so I want to share with you how I currently use them in my skincare routine to maximize benefits. So first up, let's talk facial massage. So this is free. All you need are your hands and the cleanser that you're probably already applying to the skin. Just work in a little facial massage to kickstart your routine. And the reason for this is Argireline, as a peptide, can struggle to get into the skin to where it needs to be to give those amazing wrinkle reduction benefits. So anything we can do to aid that penetration rate is going to be a good thing. Facial massage is the best way of achieving this. It just gets everything moving and circulating in the skin. If the skin is almost activated, you're bringing it back to life after you've slept on it for, if you're lucky, a full 8 or 9 hours. This is going to give you so many great benefits. It'll reduce puffiness and inflammation, but it'll help your products just absorb that a little bit better. So don't stress facial massage. I know there's like full 10-minute walkthroughs and routines and demos online. I don't watch any of that. All I do is go with what feels good. So apply your cleanser to the face. Make sure you've got a fair, good lather going so it's nice and slippy. You can do this with an oil cleanser, a balm cleanser, a foaming cleanser. All of them will work. Just make sure you've got some slip on the skin and then just get to work massaging things in. There's no technique you need to follow. Just do what feels good. But after about 30 seconds of just waking up the face with this massage, then hone in on the eyes. This is one of the areas where I think Argireline and matrixyl, that combo, works best, minimizing the crow's feet. Now, just working circular motions into the tear duct. Now, into the tear duct is key because this is where the lymphatic drainage happens. So just circulate into the tear duct and do this for 20 seconds. Just doing that with the cleanser that you're already using, trust me, will pay so many great dividends for the rest of your skincare routine, and it's free. You're not using any more products than you'd otherwise be using, and your hands. That's all you need. 60 seconds, set a timer on your phone for the first couple of times because 60 seconds is longer than our brain thinks it is. Set that timer. Then once you know how long 60 seconds actually is, you're free to go. For the rest of your life, massage that skin for 60 seconds and honestly it'll give you some great anti-aging benefit. And I find that the products using this hack sink in so much better as a result of doing that. When you're done, rinse away your cleanser and then get to work. Now, the Ordinary Argireline is one option in the Argireline market, but now you can get it in so many different serums and even some toners. So choose the one that works best for you. If you want to keep it simple, keep it super basic, this is a great option. If you want to get your Argireline alongside some other actives like I do, then there are some other serums on the market. This is the Mad About Skin Multi-Active Super Serum. This is coming back in stock in literally the shortest amount of time. I'm so excited. Everything's made, it's good to go. We're just tweaking the website and then the relaunch will be happening. But I use this because it's got that Argireline in here, which is the key ingredient in the Ordinary serum, but it's also got so many other beneficial actives alongside it. So it's kind of working as a whole skincare routine in one. If you're just using Argireline in a targeted area, say on the eyes, then maybe just going for a single peptide like this is the right way forward. If you're using it across the whole face, which is what I do for that maximum anti-aging, going for something that's formulated with other actives is probably going to be the best option for you. This just works every single time. Use it like you would any other serum, and like I say, just be mindful of how you choose to get your Argireline based on what you want to get out of the product itself. There is nothing wrong with that Ordinary option. I've used it for years and loved it, but if you want something a little bit more comprehensive to help you streamline, those products now do exist. Like I said, this is coming back in stock imminently, and if you want to be the first to get your hands on it, access the pre-order period, then the best way of doing that is by signing up to the newsletter. I've left a link in the comments for how you can do that. Scroll to the bottom of that webpage, there's a little sign up link there, as I'll be letting everyone know there first and foremost. So yeah, thank you all for your love and support, and I can't believe we're finally at this stage, which for me is so exciting. But like I say, be strategic with your Argireline. You can either use it as that standalone peptide in the Ordinary serum, or you can look at some of the other amazing options on the market if you're looking for a more comprehensive formulation. I captured all my favorites in a recent video, which I'm going to leave a link to up there, so definitely one to check out. You've massaged the skin, you've applied your Argireline where you need it, and then you're going to apply your matrixyl on top. The Ordinary is still one of my absolute tried and tested favorites, but as with the Argireline, there are some other options on the market. One that I'm personally enjoying a lot at the moment is this. This is the timeless hyaluronic acid serum that has that matrixyl as one of the core components in here. I find with the hyaluronic acid and the matrixyl together, you get that extra plumping. So if you're somebody that kind of wants to dial up the results, get maximum wrinkle reduction, then using this as your matrixyl might be a great option. Slightly more expensive than the Ordinary, so it depends on your budget. That hyaluronic acid matrixyl combo here is perfection, and they've got lots of other humectants alongside it. That means if you're wanting maximum plumping, maximum wrinkle reduction, then opting for something like this over the Ordinary might just give you what you crave. If you're looking to keep it super affordable and basic, then again, the Ordinary is still a standout serum. Now, the final way that I've really tweaked this hack and its application over the past 3 years is to finish everything off with a high quality moisturizer or balm. Previously, I would apply my Argireline, my matrixyl, then I kind of just carry on without too much further thought. Now I'm a bit more strategic and I make sure that everything is locked in with a really good moisturizer. Besides just locking everything in, making sure those peptides are there working for you all day long, if you choose well, then your moisturizer will actually give some additional plumping and hydration, which is going to further minimize those fine lines and wrinkles, giving you like the ultimate anti-aging experience and routine. Now, I said moisturizer or balm, and it really depends on your skin type. If you're oily and acne prone, you're going to want to go for a moisturizer. If you're more dryness prone, then maybe a balm texture would just work better for you. The two options I'm going to share are actually from the same brand, and these are my daily go-tos. This is the Torrident Cell Amazing Firming Eye Cream, and this is the Torrident Solid In Lip Essence. This is your balm. This is your moisturizer, but both of these are packed full of humectants, hydrators, calming and soothing ingredients that are going to lock everything in, further plump out the skin, and just give you that ultimate anti-aging finish. A little will go a long way with both of these, but I think sealing in your Argireline and matrixyl combo is the key to just getting the maximum benefit from it. This is something I've learned over the past 3 years, and not a day go by where I don't apply this eye cream on top of it all to just get the very, very best results and kind of finish everything off. So hopefully in this video, I've been able to demonstrate that yes, I still use my Argireline and matrixyl combo in my skincare routine, but I now work a little bit more strategically in order to maximize the benefits I see. I start things off with a really effective facial massage. Just make sure that you're getting maximum penetration from those key ingredients. I finish off by sealing everything in with a really nice plumping, firming and hydrating moisturizer to make sure that those peptides are locked in all day long. By just including these two additional steps, I think you're going to get 2 or 3 times the value from your Argireline and matrixyl combo. Whether you go for the Ordinary Duo, which is what I started out this hack, or you evolve to look at some of the other more multi-active options on the market, it's really up to you. But just know, starting with a facial massage, sealing everything in with a high quality moisturizer are going to make sure that you get maximum bang for your buck, the maximum ultimate anti-aging experience, and hopefully this is just shared through my own skincare journey and trial and error, the best ways to apply this Botox in a bottle hack. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.